Gonna get in there, we're gonna do a quick meeting with the staff, trying to do more meetings here just so we can be a little bit more on top of everything.
You bring donuts? They said we need to stop with the donuts.
Why?
Because we're all getting fat.
Who says we need to stop with the donuts?
I'm gorgeous, but you guys are all maybe chubby. I don't know what they're talking about. I have 6 packs. They said you need to stop with the donuts.
Shout out to Rainbow Donuts. Johnnee Tsunami. How was your vacay? Of course. Trying to feed your little tummies. Morning. How are you?
Doing good, you?
Morning. How are you? With us getting more coordinated, with Lauren and Mitchie being more communication and planning, it should be easier to start executing things. I've been liking all the templates you're doing. I like all the videos you're doing. The customer service is improving every single day. Johnnee, you weren't here last week, so I can't compliment you, but we miss you. John is out the door. We're gonna try to hang out and do something this week. And we have Mitch's birthday coming up this week, right?
Hey.
Always knock it out. So, Anthony, good job with the orders. So, everybody, I'm super happy with the way everything's going. So, thank you guys. I've done dumb things. I went and looked at $80,000 trailer. I've done this and I've done that. And I'm not gonna do those things. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna reinvest back into the business. And the decision that I made is I believe we're gonna open up a second location. So I think we're either gonna go to Orange County or San Diego. I wanna kind of demographically figure out if that makes sense. Because what I might do here is keep this one open for another year, decide if hopefully we get the next one open quickly here. I'm thinking like, I wanna start looking now and within the next 3 months having another location.
It'd probably be cool to do San Diego for the test period, and we can just see how that goes. If it's doing great, then we can move everything out there, but I think we should be focusing our next move out west more.
Right. That was like our morning meeting on a Monday. I'm trying to do it more and more often because I feel like it's just good to keep the staff in the loop. There's so many things changing so fast here at the shop. I think I do a bad job at communicating, so now moving forward, I just want to make it a point to have a meeting every Monday and probably every Friday just to recap the week. So you guys may see a glimpse of those here and there, or you may or may not. I don't know. One of the biggest issues that we have at Premium is we're such a small crew. We have a high volume of work. And with that said is, we're relying on everybody to do their part. And I think in order to not fall short, I don't want to put these guys in a bad position to where they're not able to achieve the goals. They need to know what's going on. So I'm doing my best to help everybody understand better what our goals are, what the vision of the brand is, day to day, everything. And that's what we did here. So we have the opportunity to wrap an older RSX. We don't get these in too often. It's the first time I'm actually wrapping one, but the car's in great condition. So we're just gonna be throwing on this burgundy with a little gloss or sparkle flake in it, metallic flake. Should make it cool for a cool little video. So we'll keep you guys posted.
Good morning, Premium fam. So we got this M5 and I'm gonna start unwrapping it.
When customers bring cars in here, when they're not wrapped, we could go around the car and we could see the problem, the damages or scratches, anything like that. But when a car is wrapped, we don't know what's going on under that wrap until we obviously peel it off like we're doing now. So if you look right here, we see a little bit of, scratch right here. We see some scratches right here. And also, if you guys remember the bottom panel, there was I believe it was black and white, right? So there was like a razor mark. If you guys come down here, you can see that there's a blade mark all the way down, all the way through where they would split between a black and white wrap. And also documenting on the back by the rear tire, there looks to be a blade mark right here. So stuff like this we film to not only have our back and show that it was already there, but to let the client know that the previous place where we wrapped it, didn't do that nice of a job.
All right, so we got most of the car unwrapped, almost half. Me and Edwin just got to the hood. You notice this part, once we started pulling it up, there's a clear line that leads to the scratch right here.
All right guys, so we finished the unwrap on the BMW M5. I'm about to start taking it apart. Before that, just kind of wanted to show you some of the unfortunate things that we found with the unwrap. Unfortunately, it looks like there was a blade used on a lot of the vehicle. There's a lot of seams that were unnecessary on the quarter panel, on the roof, bumpers, pretty much everywhere on this car. Again, like I say, there's so many tools in the industry, knifeless tape and just different things that you don't need to use blades on the paint. You saw the FRS projects we've had, so many unwrap and rewrap projects that people are just ruining cars, and it's not the wrap itself, it's kind of negligence, people not paying attention to what they're doing and thinking that their skills are better than they are using blades and stuff like that. But it's really a disappointment because this brand new M5 now has cut marks all over the paint, and it's cut marks that can't be buffed out or anything like that. It's deep cuts. It's just one of those things it's unnecessary, and we're not calling anybody out, we're not calling out any shops, but just do it right, because it's really ruining the industry by ruining all these people's cars, and it's just making people not want to do them. We just want to get it documented before we actually start the disassembly process. But the good news is once we get all wrapped back up, all that damage will be hidden, and this car is going to be looking good. I don't watch our videos.
So why do you care? This assembly is just something that like they know it gets done. We get a couple shots of bumpers coming off.
Oh, God. This is an art form.
This is an art.
I've seen cars that come out of other shops. I'm proud of the shit I do, okay?
Bro, I just didn't think it was that hard. You had to take some screws off, you put them in a bag, and everyone starts wrapping.
All right, cool. You're taking apart your own car.
Why would I think? It's not that hard to do what you do, bro. I'll take my own car apart.
Okay. Put it back together, too.
Sorry?
You're hurting my feelings.
Bam! What up, guys? Happy Monday. Hope everybody's having a good Memorial Day weekend. Good video. I don't even know what it's about, but I know it's a good video because John's editing it. If you guys don't know, John's last day is nearing. When is it, John? Say it. Wednesday. So by the time you guys watch this, you're nearing the end of John's time here at Premium, but I think we've came up with a solution. I'm just gonna tie him up and not let him leave. Thank you, buddy! Thank you! Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't noticed yet, I put new tires on the truck. That might end up in a vlog, it might not end up in a vlog, but yeah, we put new tires on. Happy Memorial Day, guys. Don't forget, today is the last day you can save 25% on the website. Discount code is ENJOY25. This is the Memorial Day code. Last day to shop and get 25% off the website is today at midnight. So thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate all the support. Thank you to all the new viewers, all the new subscribers. We appreciate you guys more than anything. Happy birthday to Mitch. If you didn't know, it was his birthday a couple days ago. We had a little party for him. That will end up on video eventually, but go to Mitch's Instagram, Premium Mitch, at Premium Mitch. Say happy birthday. He is the man. He is the Premium fam.
And don't get used to me because I'm leaving.
Where you going?
No.
He's like, where are you going? I won't say exactly why. I'll let him one day elaborate, but the kid's going into surgery, so pray for him.
See you guys in a week.
Pray for me. Pray for me. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.